The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 897, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in North Carolina: Franklin, Greene, Johnston, Nash, Wayne, and Wilson. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.